can know. Hello everyone, what's up? Today is Friday. Time right now is 6:30 p.m. and the temperature in Calgary right now is 10 degrees Celsius. Yeah, it's a little bit cold and rainy. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys the Upper Mount Royal neighborhood, which is one of the richest neighborhood in Calgary and wonderful neighborhood in Calgary. And let's start the walk. So I just start my walk from the Mount Royal Park, South Mount Royal Park, and you can see how beautiful it is. Let's cross the road. Now I'll show you the house. Look at this one. Mostly this area, you can find so many trees. It's literally hiding all the beautiful house behind the trees. Every single house is unique design, unique shape, and colors. And hope you will understand how big all the houses literally. Because of the tree, you couldn't see properly. Everything is unique. You can see the lawn is totally different from other area. So clean, nice, lushy. Look at this sidewalk. This looks like a mansion. My God. I don't know who lived there. I never saw people in this like a big house. Walking on the sidewalk, literally I'm like walking somewhere in the movie set. Look how clean, beautiful it is. Wow, I'm speechless. On that side is the Mount Royal Park. So let's enter the park and see how is the park. Literally Mount Royal, in this Mount Royal you can find park literally every other like a lane. Small park is not that big, but you can find.
You're always welcome in our party. Always, always. We'll try to walk around the block.
Guys, literally I can't talk. I wish, oh god, it was cute. I wish I have a house like that in my life. You know, I have to work hard to go get one of those houses. Oh my god, it smells so good. Look at this, it smells so good. So I was planning so long time to come in this area, but this area it's a little bit far from my place and before, but now I'm living very close to this place, so finally I can do some walking video. It's not that I choose a specific lane that I'm showing you, but every single house in the upper Mount Royal is unique. Look at this one. It's I cannot say anything. Nothing to say. God bless them. And it's a upper Mount Royal, so this place is like a very ups and downs. How I can explain you guys? So like some area is a little bit upside and some area is a little bit down. You can see this road is going down. which way I should go. I'm not sure. You cannot find any unwanted people here, any like a weird people here. Their security is very strong in this area. There's a small park here. Now the sun is up. The sky looks so beautiful. Look, from here you can see also the downtown.